We've reached the end of another section in Matthew's Gospel. We first heard the Sermon on the Mount, and that ended. The Sermon on the Mount is the new law which Jesus gives us on the mountain, as Moses gave the law from the mountain. And when he came down, the response of the people is his teaching made a deep impression because he taught them with authority, not like their scribes and their own scribes. And here, Jesus has just finished a section of this gospel, 10 miracles. And the result from the crowds, the people, that they were amazed. Nothing like this has ever been seen in Israel. Jesus has not only shown he's not only taught people how to live according to the law of the Lord, the correct way with the right attitude. He's also shown that he is God, and he's shown that his power over the effects of sin, disease, sickness, the storms, demons, all of these things. And as he's been showing his power, really revealing who he is as God, the resistance starts to ramp up. He's been doing two things: teaching, and now he's just finished this section, healing, working miracles. And then in the gospel, it shows how Jesus goes through towns and villages doing both of those. He does his teaching and he works his miracles. And as he's doing so, he's noticing. The harvest is rich. So many people dejected, harassed, in need of a shepherd, in need of care, in need of love, in need of attention, in need of healing. The harvest is rich, but there's only Jesus. The laborers are few. Ask the Lord of the harvest to send laborers to the harvest. Nothing has changed, folks. You may have noticed. Nothing has changed. It's still the same. We're still harassed and dejected. I don't know about you. And we still need a shepherd. We still need the love of God. We still need to experience his love, his care, his attention. And one of the ways he does that, a very practical, real way, is through shepherds. The Lord has called me to be a shepherd. He's called other priests to be shepherds, the bishops to be shepherds. And here he's looking out, saying, ask the Lord to send laborers to the harvest. Need more shepherds. And so who does Jesus send? Who does Jesus call to be shepherds? We'll find out tomorrow, but it's actually, I'll let you in on a secret, just so you know beforehand, okay? This is just giving the game away for tomorrow. The ones he calls are the 12. They're just disciples, and he calls them to be these shepherds so that they can do the teaching and work the miracles. Who's he calling now? Is he calling more Father Keiths and more Father Emmets and more Bishop Hughes? Yes, he is, definitely. And you need to pray. You definitely need to pray for more of them. But the Lord is also calling you. You are not meant to stay sheep. The Lord needs shepherds. He needs laborers in his vineyard. And that's you. That's you. So pray. Ask the Lord to send, and I'm looking at you, more laborers to the vineyard. Be open to being a laborer. Don't say it's only for them special people, or for those holy ones, or for those people who've got this intelligence or that gift or whatever it is. We'll look and we'll see tomorrow whom the Lord chooses. It doesn't matter, but he's chosen you. So from today, start asking the Lord, Lord, are you calling me? Is this what you want me to do? And what we're going to do for the next couple of weeks, we're going to look at how Jesus calls his disciples and starts to teach them about what it means to be a disciple. And that's for you and for me.